Thomians going for a counter-attack, and the Thomians
for St. Thomas's to make it two, and that's the second goal for St. Thomas's College. And this time it's Gateway College versus St. Thomas's College, playing out here in the heart of Colombo in the 7th annual Neville D'Alvis Ralph Alles Challenge Trophy, this time in 2026.
and we have kickoff going quite deep directly to the goalkeeper, who clears it out into the opposing territory. Or two men in there and sort it out, but it also shows that they have the foresight to not underestimate their opponent's Gateway, who have also been.
A shot now for Margadas, and
that's a goal!
Margadas with the first goal of this game, putting St. Thomas's in front. They've been knocking on the door. Concedes the ball. Gateway have numbers. St. Thomas's, the two defenders, dropping back, taking no chances on that occasion, and rightfully so. Akash gets rid of it, but Aiden Pereira manages to pick it up. Here's an opportunity now. The skipper sends it in,
and saved there by the Thomian outfit. Thomians going for a counter-attack, and the Thomians
for St. Thomas's to make it two, and that's the second goal for St. Thomas's College. Mudassar Mukta, just like he did at the Royal Thomian, pays the second goal for St. Thomas's here at the Police Park grounds, and with that, potentially, maybe, just maybe, the lads from Mount Lavinia dare to dream. And suddenly, out of nowhere, an opportunity for Gateway College. Hunan Halim takes the shot. He wasn't missing that, was he?
no chance of missing that there. He came in knowing he was going to score, and he did what he had to do for the boys in white. Cleared out wide onto the left, collected by the Thomians. And the Thomians have won it. They finally won it after 7 long years. The Neville D'Alvis Ralph Alles Challenge Trophy. And we have the full-time confirmation here, folks. St. Thomas's edging out Gateway 2-1. What a thrilling encounter it has been today, folks.